Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting topic: where do units come from? When I was in school, I used to memorize the physical quantities and their units. For example, if you take velocity, its unit is meter per second. I used to memorize it. And for example, if you take pressure, the unit is Newton per meter square. I used to memorize it. So this is wrong way of doing. So later I come to know that there is a physical relationship between quantities, and from that the units are derived. So to understand that clearly, we should know the fundamental quantities first, or they are called as fundamental blocks. The fundamental or the basic quantities are mass, length, and time. Okay, you know the mass, the unit of the mass is kg, and the unit of the length is meter, and unit of the time is seconds. Okay, these are the fundamental quantities, and all other quantities like velocity, pressure, moment, and density, any other thing, all are derived from these basic quantities. For example, if you take velocity, the unit of velocity is distance traveled by time. Okay, so distance is basically a length, and the unit is meter, and time is measured in seconds. So basically the unit is meters per second. And if you take density, what is the relationship, or physical quantity for density? It's a ratio of mass by volume. Okay, what is the units of mass? It's a kg. And volume, basically the formula for volume is length into breadth into thickness or height. So all are measured in terms of meters. So m into m into m cube, so kg per meter cube. And if you take pressure, what is the physical relationship? The force by area. What is the unit of force? Which is Newton. And what is the formula for area? Which is measured length and breadth. So both are measured with the quantity or the unit meter, and finally we get Newton per meter square. So you may ask, the Newton, right? It's something new from the basic quantity. Where it comes from? Basically, the Newton's law, right? It is F is equal to ma. M means mass and A means acceleration, right? So F is equal to, what is the unit of mass? It is kg, and acceleration is a derivative of velocity, so the unit is meter per second square. So finally you will get kg m per second square. So the entire quantity is called as Newton. So F, force, is measured in terms of Newton. So this Newton only we are using here. And similarly, if you take torque, or maybe another one similar quantity moment, the relationship is applied force into perpendicular distance. Okay, so which means force is measured in terms of Newton, and the distance is measured in terms of meter, so Newton meter. So in this way we can easily remember, or if you understand the concept easily, you can remember the units. So yeah, thank you.